Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are here for trading. It's a new week and new trades and new power and new happiness and new flow. Next day, also, there's a new month. We start with the June. Yes, um, the year is gone very fast. Yes, it's June. Crazy. Yesterday was Sylvester. But okay. We start here with trading like in the other videos. We have on the right side the broker pocket option over broker Opera. I know there's also a standalone Windows app that you can use. But there's a problem when you have fixed here the favorites, and after restart they all like all away. Yes, that's a little bit not so nice. Yes, but you can use it. You can use it. I also not work so hard with the favorites here on the top. It's okay, but you must always log in a new login. Yeah, it's never saved. You must always put in your name, put in your email, your password. 2FA if you have activated. It's not that comfortable, and I like comfortable. So, and here we make our system ready to rumble. Yeah. Okay. Yesterday was Monday was a holiday in USA. It was the Memorial Day, so I was not on the computer. No, I must looky. Stranger Things. Well, what's this edition? Not episode. It's season 4, and that's what it does for Monday. Yes, and now I'm starting here. We have this money, and we can make start with this is less than small less than 1%. Yes, but it's okay. We can in the calculator set it up. Tack, 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 tack. And here the return, what we have in the traded asset. Yeah, this can be 92, this can be 46. No, that we don't trade. Yes, we trade 17 or higher. 70 or higher. Sometimes, if it's a very, very, very good trade, like 4 indicators, and we are perfect on pivot level, then we can make 68. Okay, 1 or 2% lower than 17. It's okay then. Okay, but the normal trade, no. Okay, here the settings are the same in the last video. And there was also a good question in Telegram. If you have a test packet from next level, yes, 14 days test packet, and then you want to upgrade to a full packet, like 1 year, half year, 3 months, you need to do nothing. Yes, you just have to go on the website, go on the online shop, put this in the Warenkorb, and then go to the Kasse and buy it. The license will be. Wait, I will show you. I will show you here. The license will be set to the new date. Yes, you need no reinstall. You need no new install. You need nothing to do. Yeah, just order it, and the license will be fixed to the new end date. Yeah. Okay, now we have a trade. In the out USD is also not hot like, not so hot like more. It was hot. Here also we can see, yeah, if we have 3 dots, we can go back to the USD Canadian dollar, but there's nothing. he made here in this candle, in this activated candle, and on the top, he made the alert. Yes, 1 second after start this candle, and then it's going down. It's no trade for us. Yes. How you so you can't realize this? Yeah? If there's an arrow and zack, go in the trade. No. Most time you have the arrow and the candle builds. Yes. In the other side. Yes. And then we go to the next candle. But this was nothing for us to trade. So we make here chart switch. You can activate by left mouse or by spacebar. And we wait for the next signal. I'm on pause and come back when we have a tradable signal. So we have a signal. We have a mass signal. No, we have not a mass signal, but we have a mass lightnings here. And we have a signal becoming at the USD M2. Yeah, the return is with 86%. Is okay. Is very good. And we are here at the pivot line. This must be S1. S1. Yes, but don't do this. No. But Euro British Pound also made an alert. We check this out. Yeah, this is also okay. Here we have 3 signals. And when we do this here, our trade, no problem. It will be from 24 to 25. Then we make bling, and also we do looky at euro dollar. But I think here is it's not hot. So we wait here. Good situation, but we wait for finish. Maybe it gets a little bit higher. And yes, yeah, 3, 2, 1, palm. We are in. First we go to alert. Don't go us on our X and calculator. It's 74. We put this in by keyboard. 74. Then it will be 235.14. If we lost this, and then we put the trade to 26, and now we are set up and have 30 plus seconds. Yeah, can relax and watch how the trade is going. Yes, if it's going green, then we must do this trade. If it's not going green, money. So we wait, and everything is set up. Yes, I don't need this next trade. That's trade, win, very good. That's it. But most time not working. That's part of the business. But so you can earn money from at home on your computer. You can build up your. It's not like a normal computer for normal people. So we are not normal. We are. Yes, we have monitors, calculators, papers, and blah blah blah. Our rules. Yes. We don't sit here and look YouTube videos and play solitaire. Oh, we are fat in business. Fat with PH. Fat. Yes, okay. I put this back. 100. And here's 100. We go in the alert setting. Alert active. Chart switch. Zack, space. And let's go to the next trade. We can take looky. Here, maybe. Look. Look. Oh, we can do, but I must be fast. It's euro. It's dollar. Yen. We did not come. Very good. Okay, we are too late. We put on higher button at the moment when it's swapped, so we did not enter the trade. And yeah, maybe he will come now to the pivot like this. We wait. Okay, wait. Here also. But this is most time an asset I don't like. I'm like more the big players. Yes, Euro USD, out USD, British Pound USD. But we look for the next trade. It's 27 to 28. It's 100. It's 84. Is good. It's 1 minute. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, and push to the button. Yes, now we are in the trade. He's jumping around. The minimum blah 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 is here 5 seconds. Yes, that's always changing by the broker. About 5 seconds is not our trade. It's automatically all doing +2, +2, +2. But if we lose this trade, we made +1. Yes, we are in M1, and do the same like in the last one. Nerving settings away. Calculator here we have higher return of 84, so it must be 219.05. Yes, and now we wait. We wait. Looks good. Looks good. Yes, very good. Because I'm happy. No, not singing. That's not good for your ears. And we start. I'm on pause. Next signal. We are here making last trade. Then we have a very cool video to the start from the week. And yeah, I'm on pause. Come back.